Hello dear students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do a very interesting story by R.K. Narayan, Attila. So let's begin. R.K. Narayan is a well-known Indian short story writer. He is world famous for his Malgudi days and some Swami and his friends and some other stories. So in the present story also, the story revolves around the central character, and he is Attila. It is a story of a dog named Attila. In a mood of optimism, means in a positive way, the family members named their dog Attila. Attila was a warrior, a brave warrior in ancient history. The immediate reason for buying Attila was a series of house breakings and thefts in the neighborhood. Attila was small and he was only a couple of months old, and they were sure that Attila would be very much ferocious and dangerous as his age will grow up. But as time passed, Attila showed a love of humanity and a gentle behavior that was something unexpected. Actually, Attila was brought to be very much for the purpose that he should be very much dangerous and ferocious. But he was a very kind-hearted, and he was very silent. Means he loved humanity, and his gentle behavior was his some of the features. He stood up 20 inches high and had a large frame. That was not at all. A variety of people entered the gates of the house every day. Postmen, bill collectors, vendors, and friends, all of them were warmly received by Attila. They only had to stop and smile, and Attila would melt and become best of friends. The people of home did not like this attitude very much. Actually, except this small child, nobody likes Attila. Everybody was putting blame on him that he is not doing anything and his kind and gentle behavior. He should not do such type of kind and gentle hearted behavior. But Attila's nature was something different. He loves humanity and he was a very silent dog. So all the family members, they used to put blame on Attila, but the small child, he always prays to Attila, that he always keep on praising to him, that whole night he never sleep and whole night he take care of our home. In this way he used to praise Attila. Whenever any new person or postmaster or postman, bill collectors, vendors, friends used to come in their house, Attila used to treat them with a warm welcome. He never bark at them. Okay, so he used to treat them just like as a family member, and behave with unknown person also very gently and kindly. He was same for the family members as well as the unknown members. Okay students, we will see the next part in our next class. You try to write down your a short paragraph on your favorite animal. Okay.